Imagine ordering food, REST versus GraphQL. Ever felt like you ordered a whole buffet when you just wanted a burger? That's kind of how REST can feel sometimes. Let's dive into this image that breaks down the difference between REST and GraphQL APIs using a food analogy. REST, the buffet approach. Think of REST as a buffet. You walk up to different food stations' endpoints and grab whatever they're serving. You might get a plate piled high with stuff you don't even want just to get that one thing you do. Multiple stations, endpoints, see those /users /123 and /orders /456. Those are like separate food stations, each with its own menu. You gotta visit each one to get everything. Too much food, overfetching. Imagine you just want the user's name, but the server gives you their whole profile. That's extra food data you're not eating. Still hungry, underfetching, and to get your order details, you gotta hit another station. It's like needing to go to dessert just to get the price of your main course. The server's plate, response, the server decides what's on your plate, whether you like it or not. You get the whole preset meal. GraphQL, the a la carte experience. Now, GraphQL is like ordering a la carte. You get to tell the chef exactly what you want, and they bring you just that. One order counter, single endpoint. See that /graphical? That's your single order counter. You tell them everything you want in one go. Your custom order, client-defined queries, that crazy-looking user ID, 123, name, order, product price. That's you telling the chef, I want the user's name and their order details, but just the product and price. Just what you asked for, precise data retrieval. And guess what? You get exactly that. No extra sides, no unwanted toppings. The chef's helper GraphQL server. The GraphQL server is like a super efficient waiter grabbing the ingredients from different kitchens, microservices, and bringing you your custom order. Visual breakdown in food terms. Customers, clients, web, mobile, PC, they're all hungry customers. Kitchens, microservices, user service, and order service are like different kitchens specializing in different dishes. Rest buffet row, 2 trips to the buffet, 2 plates, maybe too much food. GraphQL a la carte row, 1 order, 1 perfect plate. Why GraphQL is the foodie's choice? Less waste, efficiency, no more throwing away unwanted data. More choices, flexibility, you're not stuck with the set menu. One-stop shop, single endpoint, simpler ordering. Just the right portion, reduced overfetching, perfectly portioned data. Bonus ingredients, additional notes. The recipe book, schema, GraphQL has a recipe book that tells you what ingredients, data are available. Changing the menu, mutations, you can even change the menu by adding or removing items, data. Live updates, subscriptions, imagine getting live updates on your order status. The bottom line, this image shows how GraphQL is like the modern, efficient a la carte of APIs, while REST is the classic, sometimes wasteful, buffet. If you want to get exactly what you need, without the extra baggage, GraphQL is your go-to.